have a bit of a problem. Somehow it's December 2nd, and this is the current state of my home. I don't even want to talk about why I don't have a Christmas sweater on. It's just a part of the whole problem in general. So I've never really dressed up my room, decorated my room for the holidays, because I just didn't really have the money to do so, because I was always under the impression that you had to go to like Pottery Barn and all the bougie places and buy yourself the best of the best Christmas decorations. This year, that is not gonna happen. I had this idea a couple nights ago to actually go to the dollar store. Shout out to Dollarama here in Canada. A lot of you Americans think that Dollarama is like the ish, but like, I don't think actually anything in there is legitimately $1, because our dollar sucks right now. So we're gonna see what we can find with $60. We are going to try and get that Instagram beautiful Christmas bedroom, just to get us in the spirit, honestly. Not even to like prove a point, but just to like be here for the holidays, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna head off to the dollar store, see what we can find, and then we're gonna come back and transform this room that you guys have actually never really seen. So let's go. We got about an hour to kill before the dollar store closes. Santa is swaggy and drippin'. What is this though? Where does one put a Secret Santa?
I don't know.
If she can lift this grape, then so can I. Very little creative vision here. We're just filling the cart. So the damage has been done. I think I should have like had a floor plan, a layout, some sort of vision before going into this, but I think we're gonna be all right. I think we're gonna do a quick little haul first and then just start interchanging things in my room. The good thing is that it's so basic that we really can't go wrong. A tree that needs some fluffing. This, which is suspicious, open box, so really high hopes for that one. A wreath, 2 big snowflakes, a bow. This, because is it really even Christmas? We don't have one of these guys. Candy canes, more snowflakes, some pine cone, candle that probably smells like window snowflakes. This stuff, a larger candy cane, the culprit of all the glitter that's gonna be all over my room. This for whatever reason, this for whatever reason. Lovely garland, another more realistic garland. This sucker, which was $4, he just gave me a splinter. These 2 things to put things in. This cup and this cup, because I like to drink things that are festive. Not eggnog though, that dish is whack. For this stuff, it's really freaking cute gingerbread. A bunch of little fun lights. And the best thing of all, these really freaking festive hair clips. I love it. I am thriving. I'm a Christmas queen. I don't know, actually, I don't know. I essentially do live in an igloo. I can't even yell at you guys that say that us Canadians live in igloos, because I kind of do, but it's not the biggest space. You guys can see what we're working with here. It's just very dull and definitely not Christmassy, so we are going to change that in a couple of seconds. We're gonna start off with these suckers, because this is the obvious placement. Don't know if you guys can see that because of my aggressive ring light, but I think that already looks pretty darn good. And we're gonna hang up some of this fun and not so fresh, because it is fake and it was $3.50. What a ripoff. Garland. So let's see what we can do with this. We could dive into this fun stuff. and spice up our garland a little, because she's looking a little frosty, but she could look frostier if you know what I mean. Ugh, this smells toxic. Oh, could be worse. I think this would be a lovely home for Mr. Glittery Reindeer to go. Okay, I feel like this has to go. This is like too succulent too. And that shit happens. All these fake, like, fish pebbles are flying everywhere. So that is all we're gonna do over there for now. And now we're gonna move a little bit over this way to the bed where the Christmas magic happens. Anyways, that was really bad. We already have our little stuffed gingerbread, kind of creepy, kind of cute. My dog is probably gonna steal this from me in like a matter of seconds, but you know. Why is this so hard? Honestly, not bad. Kind of satisfying. Yeah, it's definitely not meant for cutting. Kind of reminds me of the scene in Elf where he's just eating the gum off the street. Except for this is sticky tack. Kind of does look good though, I'm not even gonna lie. It's the big moment we've all been waiting for. Honestly, I don't know what I expected for $3. This is what we are left with, and we still have this whole boring drawer corner over there situation to deal with, so we're just gonna go off and have a little Christmas fun. Look at this. Perfection. All the crap that didn't fit in my room.
Yeah,
so we're just
barricaded mine.
barricaded. My family loves me. It's fine. We're about to do the grand reveal and show you what is in Sarah's magical winter igloo turned into
MTV.
a winter wonderland.
Welcome to my crib.
Welcome to my holiday crib. We need to get something for this wreath because she's looking not so fresh.
Oh my god, I'm kind of.
Oh wait. Wasn't planned. Wait. We gotta rewind. So over in this area, as you guys saw, this sad light did not work, but we're putting it there because we had nothing else to fill the space. So naturally we did that. We plugged in these little fairy lights and then I added a little snowflake just because there's a lot going on here already. Threw over some candy canes. Changed my diffuser to green because we're festive over here. That is the desk. We have my big mirrored closet. I put this bow here. It doesn't obstruct anything really because it's just taped to one side, but I actually really love this bow. Very good high quality Anthropologie vibes coming from this dollar bow right here. Obsessed. Also kind of Anthropologie vibes with these lovely pine cones. So I didn't really know where to put this guy, and I usually keep my crap over here, so we just have him chilling in here. Well, this is where the gingerbread man once lived, but what happened to the gingerbread man? Who ate him? This lovely tinsel, what do you call this? Tinsel?
Kind of.
Garland. Garland. Oh. Sadly, the lights don't extend the full length, but we're gonna probably buy some additional ones because I think they look really cute. We hung up the snowflakes over the bed just to keep it nice and white and bright, still like winter wonderland vibes, but a little less igloo. Over here we just kept it simplistic again, kept the camera accessories, added Blitzen? Is that the reindeer's name?
Blitzen?
Blitzen, but we're gonna call him Blitzen today.
He is Blitzen.
This little foliage, it's actually very sharp and kind of aggressive, so hopefully Ollie doesn't get into that. My candy canes, my snacks from my friends that come through, and my little sippy environmental friendly cup. So this is the window, probably my favorite masterpiece, inspired by Becky's room. We really went all out with this garland. We wrapped around the silver beads,
that looks good.
Balls, and when you open her up, we have the lovely window decals. So very festive when I'm doing my makeup, sitting here in the morning. I'm just gonna be feeling all the Christmas vibes. Would it really be Christmas if you didn't have one of these type of banners? Alongside, I was gonna move this stuff out of my room as well, but these are all my Christmas presents that I need to wrap. So I just thought it kind of, don't peek. We have the little reindeer cup, which actually complements well with our buddy Tom Ford over here. Then to wrap it all off, the grand finale, we have the Christmas tree. Alright guys, so besides the fact that I'm extremely exhausted right now, I am very content with the way that my dollar store room transformation turned out. Highly recommend hitting up the dollar store before it is too late, before it is Christmas Eve, because we all know it's going to be like tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me your comments down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah! Ta-ta! Merry Christmas!